Today we're going to be putting a 2-inch ball on the back of the Gravely ZTX 42-inch so that we can drag around trailers instead of having to push them when we're storing them in the backyard. So you can't really find one that's already made specifically for a certain mower on Amazon or anything like that. So I ordered this attachment, and this is supposed to be used for yard trailers. A pin goes through there. I'm not going to be using it for that. I'm going to be drilling a hole out so that I can attach the ball onto here. And we'll show you along the way about how that goes. So I'm going to be using I believe this is a 1 1/8 inch hole saw to drill the hole. I'm going to try to set it back a little bit so it's not so close to the edge here, so you know you're dragging a 1,000-pound trailer around 2,000-pound trailer. You don't want to snap this attachment. This attachment, I'll put it in the description. This attachment on Amazon was maybe 40-50 bucks. So let's try to get this hole set back some and see how it goes. Try to set it. Oh yeah, it's gonna take some work. This metal's pretty thick. It's probably 1/8 of an inch thick. So, well, we'll just work at it. We're getting there. We're almost through. Jumping around a little bit. I mean, obviously it's going to. You're cutting through metal. All right. So, it's like we're pretty much through here. I'll try to get this back out. All right, there we go. Have to get that out of there, but hopefully that works. Looks good. Let's try her out. You want to make sure whatever hitch ball you're using, make sure you measure it. You know, it looks like 1 inch, so I went a little bit bigger because it's going to hold right here, just like that. You can pick these up. This one I got from my good buddy Kevin. He's the other guy on the channel. But you can pick these up at any store, Tractor Supply, Walmart, for maybe 15 bucks. So, all right, let's tighten that thing up. This thing has a 1 1/2 inch nut on it. Make sure it's really tight. You're obviously going to be dragging heavy trailers around. You don't want to break anything. You don't want to put too much stress on the attachment of the ball and the mower. You don't want to put any more stress on the mower than what you're already putting on it. So you want to make sure everything's locked down nice and good. All right, she's on there. Let's go try her out. So as you can see, got a 6x12 utility trailer It's used for just hauling a lawnmower around. So let's get this set up on the mower here. Let's see how it does, eh? Keep a lock on it because this is stored in my backyard. I don't know where to get it. All right. Set the wheel. We're officially on the mower. So let's take it for a ride. Well, there you have it. For about 50 bucks, you too can put a hitch on any riding mower, really. So like I said, I'll leave a link to the description for this attachment. This attachment's specific to this mower, but I'm sure you could find one for your mower too. But again, this is a Gravely ZTX 42-inch Kohler. So alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. We'll see you in the next one.